morning, children. Today, let us see the continuation of Lesson 5 Plants are Friends. In our last class, we have learnt about plants and types of plants. Today, we are going to see plants are found everywhere. Do you observe that the plants in hilly areas are differ from plants in desert? Plants in desert all differ from plants in plain region? Why it happens? Plants growing in a particular region adjust themselves to the type of soil and weather they grow in. Plants can be divided into two categories: aquatic or water plants, terrestrial or land plants. Plants like lotus, water lily, and seaweeds grow in water. They are called water plants or aquatic plants. Many types of plants grow on land. Plants like mango, neem, banyan, and pine or grow on land. They are called land plants or terrestrial plants. Different plants grow in different kinds of places and climate. Let us see in detail. Pine and fir are plants that grow in mountain slopes where it is very cold and windy. Plants like cactus and date palm grow in desert where the weather is hot and dry. Thick green forests are found in areas that get heavy rainfall. Coconut trees usually grow along the coastal areas. Like us, plants also adapt to the type of soil and weather they grow in. Next, we move on to some unusual plants. Non-green plants. Molds and mushrooms are non-green plants. They do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot make their own food. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Insectivorous plants. Some plants like Venus flytrap, sundew, and pitcher plant are carnivores. They eat insects, so they are called insectivorous plants. They have special leaves to trap insects. Venus flytrap has hair along the edges of the leaves to catch insects. In pitcher plant, leaves are in the form of a pitcher with a lid. When an insect sits in a pitcher, lid shuts down to trap the insect. In sundew plant, long tentacles extend from their leaves with a sticky gland at the tip. These glands trap the insect that land on them. Let us recall. Terrestrial plants. Plants growing on land. Aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water. Insectivorous plants. Plants that eat insects. Non-green plants do not have chlorophyll. That's all for today's class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.